In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Teams as out of office. We're all familiar with those moments when stepping away from work is necessary, whether it's for a holiday, a day off, or simply to focus on other tasks without interruptions. Setting your status to out of office in Microsoft Teams is a very useful feature for these occasions because it communicates your availability to your colleagues automatically. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you get it right the first time so you can enjoy that guilt-free time away. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Teams application. It's crucial that you sign in with your correct work credentials to ensure all your organizational settings apply. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that, and a menu will pop up. Now, what we're looking for is the option labeled Set Status Message. Go ahead and click on it. At this stage, we will type in the message that will inform your teammates about your absence. A simple message like, "I'm currently out of the office and won't be available until insert return date," should suffice. Remember to include a point of contact if necessary, ensuring any urgent matters are promptly addressed. Next, you'll notice a checkbox beneath the message field that says, "Show when people message me." Make sure this is checked so that anyone attempting to reach out to you can see your status. Not only does this manage expectations, but it also wards off any unnecessary follow-ups while you're away. Now, we need to integrate this with Outlook if your organization uses it, as setting the out of office in Outlook will sync with Teams as well. To do this, open Outlook and go to the file. From there, select Automatic Replies. In the window that opens, enable Send Automatic Replies. Here you can mirror the message you've crafted in Teams, specifying the start and end times for your out-of-office period to ensure it's consistent across all your communication platforms. This synchronization is key as it ensures colleagues approaching you via different channels receive the same information. After you've set up your message in both Teams and Outlook, take a moment to save these settings by clicking on Done in Teams and OK in Outlook. This step is often overlooked but essential for the successful application of your out-of-office status. Lastly, double-check that your settings are correct by sending a test message to yourself or using an alternate account to reach out, confirming everything appears as intended. And there you have it, a clear, seamless way to set yourself as out of office in Microsoft Teams, ensuring you can efficiently manage your time away from work obligations. With these tools, you can rest assured that your team knows exactly when you'll be back, keeping communication lines transparent and expectations realistic.